Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, if you guys have not seen me before, or even if you guys have seen me before but you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button and the little bell so you guys can be notified when I upload, because you definitely don't want to miss out. I am back with another video like I promised. I am trying not to procrastinate this time, so fast and easy, quickly, so I won't talk as much as my last video. Today's video is going to be about unboxing the best, in my opinion, subscription of 2018. There's only 3 subscriptions in this video. This is not like a proven thing where it's the best in the whole world. I'm saying the best in my opinion. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started because I am starting to talk a lot again. Okay, so starting with this one, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of it, because if you have not heard of it, I don't know where you've been hidden, because this is out there, like way out there. This subscription box retails for $21 a month. No shipping, no nothing else, no hidden fees, no hidden anything. So I know because I've tried it for a whole year already. December makes the whole year I've been subscribed to this subscription box. So I know what I'm telling you. I was in love with this box since I found out about it. This box gives you the opportunity to check out so many brands with just $21 a month. Full-sized makeup products and skincare products as well. So for me, that's a plus. It gives you a little bit of everything. Highlights, contour palettes, eyeshadow palettes especially. Brushes. I love the fact that they always include brushes as well. Or not always, but most of the time. For this year, most of the time they included brushes, so I was so in love with that. They include high-end makeup as well as not so known makeup, so that's a really good side of this subscription box as well. So around September, they started this whole thing where they were gonna upgrade the subscription bigger. So by now you should know what subscription I am talking about, because if you don't know, I swear to God, what are you doing? But this year they upgraded their box, and this month I decided to get it. So instead of just getting the regular sized box, which is $21, I got the bigger box, which is $50. Yeah, they charge you $21 and then $28 separate. So we're just gonna go ahead and unbox that subscription box because it's Boxycharm. Boxycharm is by far the best subscription I've ever been subscribed to. They have saved me so much money on so many products that I've wanted to try out, but you know, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not. So $21 a month for a box is really good. Now this is not the box that they give you for $21 a month. This is the Boxy Luxe. I will leave everything, whole information, link to the subscription, everything down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. They only do these Boxy Luxe every 3 months, so if you guys are not subscribed to this, go ahead and subscribe right now and get yourself on the waiting list for Boxy Luxe, because not everyone is able to get it. So let's just go ahead and open this already, because I am so excited to see what's in there. Now the $21 subscription box gives you only 5 full-size products, but this one, I believe it gives you either 9 or 10. As soon as we open the box, we see there's their little card. They always give you a little card. By the way, opening this box, it smells really good. As y'all can see, it describes everything that is included in this box. It gives you every single detail about the product. Let's just go ahead and start digging into this box. The first thing I see in this card is the Luxe Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. So this apparently retails for $65. As you guys can see, it has full face brush set in the back and eyeshadow set in the front. So this is a really good deal. Already the price of this surpassed the price of what you paid for your box. I will not be using this. This will be included in a giveaway, by the way. This giveaway is included in my past video that I posted, so go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna leave it linked in the description box. The second thing that is included in this box is the Tarte glitter lip paint. Now this glitter lip paint from Tarte retails for $20. How it looks, this is the packaging of it. We got it in the shade Strike Gold. This is how it looks out of the packaging. As you guys can see, it's really cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it really quick for you guys. Oh, it smells good too. So as you guys could see, it's like this very sheer lip gloss infused with shimmer in it. So I'm really liking this. So the next thing we see in our box is the Voss Pro Hg Palette. Now this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm sorry you guys can't see it because of the whole, you know, ring light or whatever. But this is how it looks out of its packaging. And this is the inside of it. This eyeshadow palette retails for $45. And it has a gorgeous mirror, as you guys can see. And this is a perfect palette for those of us that like staying neutral and don't like being so outgoing. Boxycharm already added one more eyeshadow palette to my collection. If you want your collection to keep growing, Boxycharm is the perfect subscription to be in. Now, of course, we're gonna go ahead and swatch some of these eyeshadows, and let's just go ahead and get started. We're just gonna go ahead and swatch Cranberry Splash, Ploof, and let's try a matte, and Wine and Dine. Oh my god, look at this color. So as you guys can see, this is like a little champagne shimmer. This is a very cranberry shimmer, and this is a very like maroonish, burgundy-ish matte eyeshadow. So by the swatch, I am loving this eyeshadow already. Let me know if you guys want to see a look on how this eyeshadow works. So yeah, let's get going. The next thing, I don't know how to pronounce, but it's Spongel. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it because it's a sponge and L. And it's a body wash infused buffer. This sponge retails for $20. And this is its packaging. It's so cute. I'm thinking this is what made the box smell really good. Wow. So you see how different this box is from any other subscription you will ever see. They include everything from body wash, hair products. I will definitely give this a try, and I will let you guys know how it works in the description box. The next thing in our box is the Wander Beauty Dusk-to-Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette, which would be this tiny little palette. So let's just go ahead and take a peek. So as you guys can see, I believe it has two highlights and a blush right in the middle. This Tuscan Sunrise, this one's Havana Nights, and this one's City Lights. I think I pressed too hard and I accidentally took off a piece. So I don't know about the rest, but I really like this one as a highlight. Again, blush, I'm not sure. This would be like a highlight for a deeper skin tone. So I really like this one. Now this palette retails for $26. I would want to try the highlight right now, but as you guys can see, I have highlight on, and that would be like false advertising because it's going to give it an extra pop. So I will definitely do a separate video showing you guys how this works. Next thing we got in our box is this Lorac Pro Pomade Mascara. I absolutely love its wand. It's very easy for you to go ahead and brush your eyelashes. So retails for $24. So let's go ahead and see what is next. We're almost done, you guys. The next thing, I almost skipped over this, is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. This is part of the skincare. So again, this box is just proving everything that I'm telling you guys. They include from skincare to makeup to brushes, and very soon you guys are going to see even hair and accessories. So this is how it looks out of its packaging. It's really cute. This is supposed to be like a hydrant that you're supposed to use I guess when you wake up in the morning after cleansing your face. So we're definitely going to give this a try as well. This, by the way, retails for $89. So alone, this has way over surpassed your box. Okay, next thing, this is for the hair. They included this PYT straightener. It's a mini straightener. They're not going to give you a full-size straightener because, girl, come on, they're expensive. So this is how the straightener looks. Now, good news for you guys. I will be including this in that giveaway that I mentioned earlier. So definitely go check it out. Either go to my last video, or go to my Instagram page, which I will leave linked down below. So this retails for $75. Again, what a deal. Finally, last but not least, we have this Glam AF little bag. This retails for $22, and wait, it includes a portable charger. How cool is that? I don't think Boxycharm had ever done that, or in the time that I've been subscribed to Boxycharm, they had never included something like that. So that is so cool. Now I have a little accessory bag and a little portable charger. So this retails for $22. And being done with that, I really recommend you guys to go subscribe to Boxycharm. I will leave everything linked down below. Anything you need for your Boxycharm subscription. For your Boxy Luxe subscription, I will leave it linked down below. Go ahead and check it out. Be subscribed, because if you're into makeup and you are not subscribed to Boxycharm, you're missing on everything. Just don't subscribe to anything else, because you're just missing on everything. So that being said, let's just go ahead and move on to my second subscription of the year. This, I just started being subscribed to it like mid of the year. And let me just tell you, if you're in love with brushes, but sometimes we can't afford brushes because sometimes they're so expensive. Well, so LiveGlam has made it so easy for us to purchase brushes with so little amount of money. So just like Boxycharm, they charge $21. The good thing of this subscription is that, one, just like Boxycharm, you get to cancel anytime you want. So let's say you want this month, but you don't want it next month, or you just don't want it at all, you cancel, or you can skip a month. So that's one good thing I like. A second good thing is you can exchange some of the brushes. So let's say you get a type of brush and you know you're not going to use it, or you already have so many of that type of brush, you can go ahead and exchange it for any other item they're giving you there to choose from. So that's another plus. So for this month, let's just go ahead and start opening it. Just like Boxycharm, they have their little theme of the month, their little brush descriptions. The range of the brush could be from either 3 to 8 brushes a month for only $21. It doesn't matter if you only get 3 or you get 8, you still pay $21 only. So this month we got 4 brushes. Here they are. We got the M531, which would be the pointed blender. This is perfect for your eyeshadow. So like, let's say you packed a whole bunch of eyeshadow and you're trying to blend it out. No more product needed. You're just going to go ahead and take it out. Go ahead and buff out all that makeup there so it could be diffused. Easy, perfect, just $21 the subscription. The next thing we've got is the M413, which would be perfect for your eyebrows. So it has a little eyebrow end where you could go ahead and draw in your eyebrows, and the little spoolie side, which would be perfect for you blending out and, you know, brushing out your little hairs or whatnot. The next thing is the M553, which would be the tapered brush. I am going to be including this on the giveaway. Again, go check it out on my Instagram. Go check out the last video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. This works perfectly for blush. So girlies, go check out the video. You could get a blush brush right now. The last thing we got is the M458, which is a contour brush. This is perfect for you to contour here, here. Girl, you know, contour wherever the hell you need a contour. And yeah, so that would be the end of this subscription. I will also leave the little link for LiveGlam / MorpheMe down in the description box, so go ahead and check that out too if you're a brush lover. Okay, finally, last but certainly not least, this is a bag for those of you guys that don't like spending a lot of money but you still want to try, you know, new brands. Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription, and they include 5 small size samples of their products. You can cancel anytime you want. You could pause a month, you could pause 2 months, whatever you want. It is so easy to cancel, to pause, to stop your subscription and get back to it as well. Now, this is the packaging. Don't look at my address. They always, this is the one thing I love about Ipsy. They always come in a bag, Ipsy bag, so that you will collect a whole bunch of gorgeous, unique little bags for your makeup. The first thing, I love face masks. I love face masks, anything that has to do with, you know, fixing your face, because my face is kind of ugly. To my surprise, there were 3 face masks. So we got 3 of these. I will definitely be trying them out. It is so cute because it is, you know, with the whole festive and whatnot. Okay, so this would be counted as one item, I suppose. You know, 1 out of 5. So as soon as I open the bag, I see 2 brushes. So that is something I love. I love brushes. If you guys would see my brush collection, I have so many. I don't even use all of them. So the 2 brushes that we got are the Luxe Precision Blending 243. It's kind of messed up on the end because, you know, it was squished into this tiny bag, but it's okay. We can make this work. This brush I would use for blending out on my crease, in between my crease, and adding highlight to my inner corner. The next brush we got is from Farrah. It's the 35E brush. This is perfect for blending out any eyeshadow, of course, for adding your transition shade, or using it clean with no more product to blend out any, you know, packed up product that you got to make it look diffused. This is a really good brush. I really like it. I really like the design. It's so cute. I don't think I've ever tried this brand before. I've tried Luxe because Luxe is included on Boxycharm and Ipsy, so I've tried Luxe, but I've never tried Farrah, so this is a good thing, you know, trying another brand. So what I'm just noticing right now is I didn't receive 5 products. I got 6. I don't know if it's because Christmas is around the corner. They decided to add 1 more item to my bag, but I'm not complaining. So the next thing we got is the Steve Laurent loose powder. It's this little loose powder compact. It is so small, as you guys can see. Again, sample size. Oh, it is so cute. I love its packaging. I love the way it is. It is in the shade Antique Olive. You guys can see this is the shade. I am so sorry I spread it all over my hand because it was so hard to get in there because I have nails. So yeah, this is the shade. Again, it's like an olivey shimmer shade, so it is so pretty. Again, I've never tried this brand, so it is, you know, a good step for you to try out these new brands that are coming out or that we just simply don't know about. The next thing we got, this Pacifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe Multi-Use Highlighter. That is a big name. This is the packaging. Ooh, holographic, so pretty. We got it in the shade Unicorn. It is so cute. It has like little diamonds on it. It's like holographic itself. This would work so nice for your inner corner, and as well if you want to do a halo cut crease, it would look so cute. Subscriptions, believe it or not, are so helpful, of course, if you're into like makeup and all that. The last thing we got in this bag would be this, I don't know how to pronounce this, Ciate London Glitter Flip. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce. I've seen this brand before, but I do not know how to pronounce it. This is the shade. Oh, it is so pretty. I would definitely wear this color. You guys, I don't know if you guys could see this, but it has those little glitter specks. It is so pretty. It would look so cute without adding any lip gloss or anything.
Subscribe to my channel.
You were supposed to sing.
No.
So with that said, you guys, we have come down to the end of this video. I know it was a little bit of a longer video this time. Remember, I will leave all the subscription information and details linked in the description below. I will leave their links and their pricing and everything else. Thank you guys for joining me and watching me one more time. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked what you guys saw today. If you guys want any other subscriptions or know about any other subscriptions that you guys don't want to, you know, check out on your own and you guys would like me to check it out, go ahead and comment down below any of the subscription and I will definitely give them a try. Also, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click on the little bell so you guys can get notified when I upload. It wasn't often, but it is going to be often now, so you do not want to miss on that. So just go ahead and do that right now. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye! You should definitely go subscribe to Boxy Charm right now.